So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make from 1,000 naira to 5,000 naira selling data on the internet using just your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how this works and how you can do it with your mobile phone or your desktop computer. So let's get right into the video.
You're on my screen right now, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money by reselling data or video services on the recharge app platform. So guys, before we go into the video, let me show you people who are already doing this business and are making money from it. So if you go to your Google search browser and you search for cheap data over here, you're going to get a result of people who are selling data on the internet. And as you can see on our browser over here are some people who are making money selling data on the internet. So let's check out this image, and this is from NAIRALAND. So I'm going to open this on a new tab, and if you can see, MTN is selling at 500, Glow is selling at 700. So his prices are not even low enough, because for this kind of person you can easily compete with this person and also make money on the internet. Now if you go to MTN and then you search for MTN 1 month data plan, you can see MTN is selling 1 gig for 1,000 naira. This is 1.2 gig for 1,000 naira. And here you can see somebody selling 500 naira for 1 gig. You can see the price difference. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can get 1 gig for as low as 240 naira, and if you sell it for 500 naira or 400 naira, you can make profit of over 200 naira. And it's just not for MTN. Like every data on this platform I'm going to give to you, they are selling cheap data and you can make a profit anyway you are selling it. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is to create an account on the recharge app platform. So to do that, click on the link on the description or in the comment section and you get access to it. But if you're on my page, on my YouTube page, you can see that there are links provided for you over here. You can get the app link or the website link. So we're going to use the website for this tutorial, but if you have an Android phone and you would like to use our application, you can just check out the Google Play Store by clicking on the link over here to download our application for the recharge app platform. So the first thing we need to do is to visit our website, which is rechargeapp.com.ng. so if you have an account, you just need to log in by clicking on the login button over here, and if you don't have an account, you just need to click on the register button over here. So I'm going to show you how to register for those who don't have an account. All you just need to do is click on the register button over here. So you're going to get to the register page over here, and all you need to do is to just provide your name, your email, your mobile number, your referral. If someone referred you, then you can put their referral code over here, but if no one referred you, you just leave it blank. So you need to answer this question over here to know if you are a robot or if you are a human being, and then you create your own password. So when you have provided your information, you need to click on the create account button over here, and then you'll be redirected to the login page. So we're here on the login page, and all you just need to do is to insert your email and the password, and then click on the login button over here. So after you have clicked on the login button, you are going to be redirected to this page where you'll be asked to activate your account. Like, note that you'll be sent an activation code to your email which you provided over here, and you need to go to your email to get that code. So once you have your activation code, input your activation code over here and then click on the activate button. Okay, so once you activate your account, you are going to see a notification over here. You can read this, and when you understand it, you click on the exit button over here, and then you'll be asked to create your PIN. Remember that your PIN is the 4-digit PIN that allows you to make a transaction. Like if you want to buy data on the recharge app platform, you need your transaction pin. So I'm going to create my transaction pin over here, and I'm going to save my pin. I'm going to set it, and now they'll tell me my pin has been set successfully. Now I'm going to go back, and you can see this is how the dashboard looks. It is a VTU engine that allows you to buy VTU services for cheap. So now we have our recharge our platform. The first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet in order for you to buy data on this platform. So to fund your wallet, you need to click on the fund wallet over here. So a fund wallet page will open, and then you'll be given an automatic funding account. Note that this account that is provided for you is the account that you use to fund your wallet, and it is dedicated for only you. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go to my bank, and I'm going to transfer funds into this wallet. So I just made my transfer into my recharge app wallet, and I'm going to refresh my page. So go back, and as you can see, you get a notification that your account has been funded with 950 naira, and you just need to click on OK over here. So once you have funded your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to click on the buy data over here. Now to buy data, the first thing you need to do is to select your data plan. Like I'm going to select MTN SME over here, and then I will select my plan. Like I'm going to select the data plan I want to buy. So I'll select 1 gig. It is important for you to know that all data on this platform lasts for 1 month depending on your usage. So I'm going to input my phone number over here. So I have inputted my phone number, and then you can see the price over here, and I will input my pin, and I'm going to click on buy now, and they'll give me a notification that asks me, are you sure you want to purchase this data for this number? And I'll say okay. As you can see, my transaction was successful, and this is the transaction ID over here. I'll click on OK. Since we know how to fund our wallet, we know how to buy data on the recharge app platform, the next thing we need to know is how do we market this data? How do we find customers to buy this data from us so we can make some money? I'm going to recommend this platform, NAIRALAND.com, which is a Nigerian forum platform that is basically visited by Nigerians. Since we're basically selling our data to Nigerians, and we have a platform that has a high visitors from Nigeria, then we are going to use this platform to promote our data. So the first thing you need to do once you visit NAIRALAND, if you have an account, you just need to log in. But if you don't have an account, you're going to need to register on this platform. So I am going to register right now by clicking on this register on NAIRALAND over here, and then you are going to be asked to input your email. Now once you input your email, you click on submit over here, and then you'll be sent a link to your email where you'll be asked to register. Now before you register, note that your username has to be text and numbers. You cannot just have one text. So the more numbers that you add to your username, the more chances of you creating an account, because there may be a lot of people who are using that name you want to use. So I'm going to create this account on my phone, and I'm going to come and log in into this account. So guys, we're right here on the NAIRALAND forum platform, and the two things that we need on this platform is our NAIRALAND account and our design, our graphics over here. This is the graphics I'm talking about, and this is my own graphics that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to minimize this, and I just told you how you can create your account. So we have the two things set. So for this strategy, what we are going to do is we are going to like so for this strategy, what we are going to do here is that we are going to visit all these posts on this NAIRALAND platform. As you can see, like there are so many posts, and all these posts are related to Nigerian content. Like these posts are related to Nigerians, and you should know that Nigerians will definitely be viewing all these posts. You get? So there are a lot of people on this platform, like thousands, millions of people like visit this platform daily, weekly, consuming all these posts. So, and if you can see on the bottom, you can see the number of people that just logged in 5 minutes. So we are seeing 5,000 people in 5 minutes. Just imagine how many people will log in 1 hour or in the whole day. We're talking about thousands of people, like hundred thousands of people. So this strategy will need us to visit these posts, and then engage with people and tell them that no, we sell data and we want them to patronize us. No, not like we're going to force them to buy it, but we're going to like tell them that if they're interested in buying data from us, they can buy at a cheap rate and stay online for cheap, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to visit one of these posts. Like I saw a post. Okay, see this post over here. Davido that records the arrival of Davido and Choma's twins, right? So I'm going to visit this post over here. So as you can see, we're taken to this page where the post is, and as you can see, it's like a video. The person is actually promoting a video. So in this kind of post, we are just going to say something like we're going to congratulate Davido and Choma, and then we're going to talk about what we do and how our service can benefit them in this platform. You get? I'll just look at this and I'm going to make a comment at the bottom of this post. You can see this is where the post ends over here. So these are just like signatures, like signature images. So we are going to create a quote. Quotes here means comments. To create a quote, it means that you are commenting on this post. So just look at the bottom. After the content or whatever, after the content or the post has been made, the first line that actually asks you to quote, report, like and share, that is where the post ends. So you create a quote over here. They will take you to this page where they will give you the rules and regulations of the platform and things you should do and things you should not do. So take your time and read this, and when you understand this, then you can make your comments or your quotes. So I've written the post, and as you can see, I just wrote something related to the content that was written. Like I congratulated them and I just added a little bit of comments to it, you get? And then I added my advertisements at the bottom, and then I put stay online for cheap. We sell cheap data subscription for 1 month. And then I will just add my banner or my flyer over here by clicking on the choose file, and I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on open over here. The document has been added to the post. So this is just like an example of something that you can use to as an inspiration to what you can do. So I'm going to click on the submit over here, and they are going to ask me to verify if I am a robot. So after you click on the verify button, okay, your post has been made. So this is just basically what it is. You just create a comment and just do your thing. That's how it is. On NAIRALAND, you get people dropping different posts, and you can just visit all those posts. Like there are hundreds of posts every hour, hundreds of posts every single day, you get? So what you just need is just add comment on all these people's posts. Everybody that every post that is made, take like 1 hour a day and just drop a comment and tell them about your stuff. Drop as many comments as possible, get more. It's a numbers game. The more people see your business, the more people will buy from you. The more people will buy from you. Just advertise yourself very well. Advertise yourself very well, and you get customers, like steady customers will be going into your DM asking that they want to buy data. And you can do this for other stuff, like if you are for your data subscriptions, for your recharge pins, anything that you want to promote. Yeah, even your edu pins, you can promote them over here. It works for any business, it works for any stuff. So this stuff may help you and get people to know about your stuff. If you got value in this video, leave a like, drop a comment on the comment section, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.